Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to factor polynomials. Factoring polynomials is a very important topic for high schoolers because we need factoring in almost all the algebraic problems. So let's start with our first question. Here we have a cube b raised to power 8 minus 7 times a raised to power 10 b raised to power 4 plus 2 times a raised to power 5 b square. So the first step in factoring out the polynomials is to identify the greatest common factor between all the terms. So here we see that there is a cube, this is a raised to power 10 and this is a raised to power 5. So we can factor out a raised to power 3 or a cube from all the three terms. So that's a cube. And now let's see the b term. Here b term, the lowest b term is b square. So we can only factor out b square from all the terms. So our greatest common factor or GCF of all the three terms is a cube b square. After factoring, we are left with b raised to power 6 from the first term minus 7 times a raised to power 7, a raised to power 7b plus 2 times a square. So this is our final expression after factoring out a cube b square from the expression. Let's go to a second question where we have 6x raised to power 7 plus 3x raised to power 4 minus 9x cube. From 6, 3 and 9, we can factor out 3 because 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. And from the x term, there is x cube here, x to the power 4 here and x raised to power 7. So we can factor out x raised to power 3, which is common to all the terms. So our GCF is 3x cube. So let's take this GCF out and simplify. So that's going to be 3x cube. And in the bracket, we have 2x raised to power 4 plus x minus 3. The next polynomial is rather simple because we have x square plus 1 whole cube in both the terms. So we can take that out. And from 2x and 16, we can take 2 out because 2 times 8 is 16. So the GCF will be 2 times x square plus 1 whole cube. So after taking 2 times x square plus 1 whole cube common, we have x minus 8 left in the next bracket. Let's factor the next polynomial. So in this polynomial, we are going to group the terms and we'll factor the polynomial. So first we'll write 7x plus x raised to power 4 plus 7x cube plus x raised to power 6. From 7x and x raised to power 4, we'll take x out or common. So that's going to be 7 plus x cube. And from the other two terms, we are going to take x cube common. So we have 7 plus x cube. Now we have 7 plus x cube in both the terms. So we can take that common, 7 plus x cube outside. And we are left with x plus x cube. When there are such polynomials where we can group the terms and can take some common factor which is bigger than a single factor from the two terms, we factor the polynomials like so. Let's do our last example. In the last polynomial, we cannot see anything common in between the terms. We'll first multiply and open the brackets so we can take some common terms out. So that's going to be 2 times x square minus 6 times x square is x cube minus 4 times x times 4 is 16x and minus 4x and minus 12x will be plus 4 times 12 is 48 x square. So now from these two terms, so we can take out 2x square common. This is going to be 1 minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6 x. And from here we can take out negative 16x common, and we have 1 minus 3x from here too. So now we can take out 1 minus 3x from both the terms, and we have 2x square minus 16x. So this is how we factor these type of polynomials. So factoring polynomial can be done in different ways. We need to find the common factor or the greatest common factor in between all the terms in the expression, and we can do it simply by taking the common terms out as we did on our first two examples, or we can do it by grouping as we did in our last three examples. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.